Hello, it's AnnBlogger.com, and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to link pages in the same design. For example, you are doing an ebook and you have a table of content. And you want to give your readers the opportunity to jump into each chapter of your ebook by clicking a table of content. So today I will show you how you can do it easily using Canva. Well, so actually you know that you can link pages within a design and it's super cool, so let's go ahead and see how you can do it. So let's jump in and see how we can easily add links to other pages in our same design. So for this example, I've created an ebook that consists of several pages. You can see my ebook is here now. It's super important before we start linking to name each page. You will see in just a few seconds why it is so important. So let's name each page. For example, this would be covered. This will be a table of content and page 1, page 2, etc. We have that covered, so now let's go ahead and see how we can add links to our table of a content page. Now let's say that I would like to link every chapter for a table of content to the actual page in your ebook. So let's click on our text box. This will be our clickable link. By the way, it doesn't have to be a text box, it can be an image, photo, or any other object or element that you like. So once I've clicked on that, I'm going up here to the white top bar and I click on the link feature. Here I have an option to either paste any other external URL or pick a page within my design. So here you see the names that I've given my pages. This is the first reason it is so important to give names. So I would like to jump right to page 1 once clicking on this link, so I'll just pick that. Now you see once I clicked on page 1, I get this indication that this has been checked okay. So now once I click enter, I get this underline underneath my text that is an indication for me that the link has been inserted. Of course, if you don't want this underline, you can always delete it by going up here to the underline feature. It doesn't harm the link. So no worries, let's check this out. So for example, let's download this as a PDF. Select all pages to click on done, and download the PDF file. And let's give it a go and let's open the file. Once I click on that link, boom, I'm on the right page. Let's click on that. There you go, it is super easy. That's it. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I have 2 playlists right here for those of you who want to go a bit deeper and keep learning about some Canva features. Please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment down below on what kind of videos would be helpful for you, and what kind of videos would you need to see to have the confidence to get started on Canva today.